Dear friends, Adab and Namaskar. As you all know that tabla is a very important instrument in the field of Indian classical music. And because myself, I'm a tabla performer, I'm a tabla player, so I know the value of tabla. But at the same time, the manufacturer, the maker is also very important, because the quality of tabla makes lots of difference. The tonal quality, the quality of skin, the quality of leather, the quality of wood, etc. So the maker is also very important at the same time. I'm talking about Qasim Khan Niazi and his son. They are one of the best tabla maker in our country, and I wish them very success in 2018. I wish all of them very best and wish them best of their profession and the quality they are giving to all the tabla makers. I am so happy and I am so grateful to them. So I wish all of them very best and have a nice Happy New Year 2018. Thank you.